Sisters and brothers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today we learn how to apply the rule of Idghaam but without Ghunnah. We're still talking about the rules of the consonant Noon and the Tanween, and we learned some rules. Today we learn how to apply Idghaam without Ghunnah. You know that idgham means to put or to insert something in another thing. And here in our concept in Tajweed, idgham means to put the sound of one letter, the consonant noon or the tanween, inside the following letter. Idgham without ghunnah happen when the letter noon, the consonant letter noon or the tanween is followed with one of these two letters, the letter lam or the letter ra. So when you find in one word, the first word, the last letter or the last sound is the consonant noon or tanween, and in the following word, the first letter is the letter lam or the letter ra, and you need to read the both words together. In this case, you need to apply this rule. So it is important to know that this rule happens only in two words, like here. So you need to have two words, one after the other. In the first word, the last letter must be the consonant noon, like here, or can be also the tanween, like here. And in the following letter, the following word, the first letter must be the letter lam or the letter ra. When you like to read the two words together, so in this case, you need to apply this rule, idgham without ghunnah. How to apply it? It is very easy. All what you need to do is to delete, to cancel the letter noon completely or the tanween. So all what you need to do is to delete the letter noon or to delete the tanween, to not pronounce them. So this is the way of applying or to apply this rule. And you don't need to do any ghunnah. So the nasal sound, you don't need to do it. So that's all about our rule today. So we're still covering these rules, the rules of the consonant noon and tanween. We talked already about these two rules, al-qalb and idgham with ghunnah. And today we talk always about idgham, but without ghunnah, without the nasal sound. And in next lessons, inshallah, we will cover these two rules. So let's go to the pronunciation. So when you find the consonant noon or tanween in one word at the end or the last position in one word, and in the following word, the first letter is the letter lam or the letter ra, and you like to read the both words together, so in this case, you need to apply this rule, idgham without ghunnah. Here we have one example. In this word, the last letter is the consonant letter noon. When you find the letter noon without any diacritic or any signs above, this means that here you need to apply idgham. Which section of idgham, that is with ghunnah or without ghunnah? This depends on the following letter. If the following letter is one of these two letters, so it is idgham without ghunnah. Like here, the following letter or the first letter in the following word is the letter lam. So here you need to apply this rule. What you will do, just delete the letter noon. Don't pronounce the letter noon. Make silent the letter noon and pronounce all the other letters. That's all. So here, if you find these two words in any normal book, you will read min ladunka. Min ladunka. But in the Holy Quran, we need to apply the rules of the reading, the recitation, the tajweed. So here you need to apply this rule. What you will do, cancel the letter noon, pronounce the other letters, And don't forget that the following letter here, the letter lam, has shadda sign. So read everything and apply the rule of the shadda. You know that shadda means to pronounce the letter itself twice. The first time consonant and the second time with the vowel that you find already with shadda. So here it is fatha. So the letter lam must be pronounced twice because the first time it is in the place of the letter noon that you will not delete. So pay attention to this. I want you to know that the sign of shadda is present here because you need to apply this rule. So in the Arabic language, we never start a word with a shadda. So you will never find the first letter in one word has shadda. The shadda is present here because you need to apply this rule here in this position. So how you will read, pronounce the letter mim with its kasra, the vowel kasra, and after that go directly to the letter lam with shadda. Don't pronounce the letter noon. So here you will say mil, mil, من لدنك مل I am not saying من لا I am saying directly من لدنك like here you will read like here what we have here we have the same words but without the letter noon I deleted it so من لدنك. Can you notice mill twice? And there is no ghunnah, the nasal sound. We are not doing it because we don't have the noon. So you don't hear here, you will not do any nasal sound. So milla dunka. Okay, so that's all about how to apply this rule. We take one more example, another example. Here, two words. The first word finish or has the last letter, the letter noon, consonant. And the following word, the letter lam. So here, delete the noon, pronounce the following letter, and don't forget the shadda. So you don't need to read like in lam or sorry, an lam. So an lam, no. This you should not do this. So just cancel or delete the noon and read everything else. So from the hamza with fatha, the vowel, go directly to the letter lam. Al, al, لا ألا because شدة with فتحة ألم you will read like this ألم ألم where is the noon? I cancelled it. I deleted it. Why? Because this is the meaning of this rule. So idgham without غنة. Idgham putting one sound in the following sound. So I will put the sound of the letter noon in the side of the following letter. So I will pronounce the following letter twice. And I will delete the noon, okay, because I already inserted it in the following letter. So I don't need also its ghunnah, the nasal sound of the letter noon, we don't need it. So in a simple words, just delete the noon and pronounce the following letter with the shadda. So here, allam, allam, no nasal sound. Okay, allam. You will read like what we have written here on your left side. We need one example for the letter ra here. Here, the two words, the first word has the last letter, the letter noon, consonant, and the following word starts with the letter ra. The letter ra present here. So, sorry, in this case, when you read to delete these two words together, you will delete the letter noon and you will pronounce everything else. So here I will start from the letter meme with its vowel kasra, and I will go directly to the letter ra. I will delete the letter noon. And you don't need to do any nasal sound. So what you should not say is min rabbika, min rabbika, no. From the letter mim with kasra, go to the letter ra. So mir, mir, mir rabbika, mir rabbika, mir. There is no noon. I am not saying min rabbika. No. Min rabbika. Mir. Mir rabbika. So that is almost all about how to apply this rule, but we take some examples for the tanween. Here we have one example for idgham without ghunnah in the case of the tanween, tanween dhamma. Finding tanween dhamma written like this, so one dhamma near to the other, so the dhamma twice. So this here, it is a sign to help or present to help you to know that here you need to apply the rule of idgham. Which section of idgham, that is with ghunnah or without ghunnah, this depends on the following letter. The following letter is lam, it is here, so it is idgham without ghunnah. So here, what or how you can apply this rule, just delete the tanween, don't pronounce the tanween, and pronounce the following letter with the shadda. So here, what you should not say is qasamun lidhi, qasamun. This N you, of the tanween, you need to delete it. Don't pronounce it. So قاسمل مل قاسمل ذي قسم لذي. I am not saying قسم لذي. I am saying قسم قسم لذي. So it is here. You will pronounce like here. Without the tanween, I deleted it. And don't forget that you don't need to do any nasal sound. The ghunnah, we don't need it here. So قسم لذي قسم لذي قسم لذي قسم لذي. What you don't need to pronounce, it is what I wrote here. So don't say قسم لذي. So forget about the tanween when you need to apply or when you have to apply this rule. So you need or you must read what I like what I wrote here in your side or left side or left hand. But this here below, no. Okay, so this is how to apply the rule with idgham with ghunnah. This rule can happen only with all the other three sections of tanween. So here our example tanween dhamma, but this can happen also with tanween fatha and tanween kasra. And here we take one example for tanween fatha. So when you find here in this word the two signs of tanween fatha so are not parallel, and this it is also a sign to help you know that here it is a position of idgham. Which section of idgham depends on the following letter. So when you find them like this, so parallel the two signs, so this is here, it is not idgham, it is another rule that we learn inshallah in next lessons. So also here all what you need to do is to delete the tanween. So after the letter ba, don't pronounce noon of tanween, but go directly to the letter ra. توابرا توابرا barra. توابر. I am not saying توابا را. No. توابا رحيما. توابا رحيما. توابا رحيما is here. با را. با فتحة را. Directly. No تنوين. توابا بر. توابا رحيما. So this here, it is how to pronounce these two words applying this rule. What you should not say, it is here. Don't pronounce the tanween. So this letter in blue here, it is the noon, which is the sound of tanween that you need to delete. So don't say tawaban rahima, but say tawaban rahima, and don't make any ghunnah. So this what I wrote here below, it is not the correct one. The correct one is what you have here above. Okay, so and so this is for the tanween fatha, but this rule can happen only with a tanween kasra, like here this example. So here we have this word, the first word, the last letter تاء مربوطة. تاء مربوطة has tanween kasra. The following word starts with the letter lam with shadda, and you like to read all these two words. You will not pause here, because if you pause here, so you cannot apply this rule. So in this case, what you need to do is to delete the tanween and pronounce the letter ta marbuta normally with kasra and go directly to the letter lam. So who, ma, za, till, till. Nun, who, ma, za, tin, no. Who, ma, za, till, ma, za. همزة اللمزة. همزة I am not saying tin. So what you should not say is همزة لمزة. This tin you will delete it. So you will read like here. همزة لمزة. Can you notice? لمزة. There is no nasal sound. همزة اللمزة. So you don't need to do any nasal sound. Just delete the tanween and pronounce everything else. So this is ta with kasra. It is the letter ta marbuta. And after lam with shadda, it is here. So no tanween. Just delete the tanween and pronounce everything else. So here below, it is what you should not say. So don't say homazatin lomaza. No. Homazatil lomaza. Homazatil lomaza. Till. Okay. So that's all about this rule, idgham without ghunna. Just do some exercises and practice, and after that you will be able to do to apply this rule automatically. It is a very simple way. Remember that we apply it when the consonant noon or tanween followed with one of these letters. And this rule happen only in two words, like here, two words. If you pause here, the reading here in between, so you cannot apply this rule. So that's all for today. The next time, inshallah, we talk about one more rule. I hope this lesson or this video can help you learning this rule better. See you or hear you the next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.